Mastering best practices. Our processes are woefully inadequate compared to industry standards. What are the prevailing industry standards for process efficiency, productivity, and quality, and in what ways do its processes compare to ours in terms of their effectiveness and gaps in performance? Prevailing industry standards for process efficiency, productivity, and quality. In the pursuit of operational excellence, it is essential to understand the prevailing industry standards for process efficiency, productivity, and quality. These standards serve as a benchmark for organizations to assess their performance, identify gaps, and implement improvements to maintain a competitive edge. Process efficiency. Industry standards for process efficiency are often measured by the following key performance indicators, KPIs. 1. Cycle time, the time taken to complete a process or a series of processes, with a goal of minimizing cycle time to maximize productivity. 2. Throughput, the quantity of output produced within a given time frame, with a focus on increasing throughput while maintaining quality. 3. Lead time, the time elapsed between receiving an order and delivering the product or service, with an aim to reduce lead time to improve customer satisfaction. Benchmark organizations in various industries have achieved the following process efficiency standards. In automotive manufacturing, companies like Toyota and Honda have optimized their production lines to achieve a cycle time of less than 60 seconds per unit. In the logistics industry, companies like Amazon and DHL have implemented efficient warehousing and transportation systems, enabling them to deliver products within 24 to 48 hours. In healthcare, organizations like the Mayo Clinic and Cleveland Clinic have streamlined their clinical processes to reduce patient wait times and increase throughput. Productivity. Industry standards for productivity are often measured by the following KPIs. 1. Labor productivity, the output per unit of labor input, with the goal of maximizing output while minimizing labor costs. 2. Asset utilization, the percentage of available equipment or capacity utilized, with a focus on maximizing asset utilization to reduce idle time. 3. Yield, the percentage of defect-free products or services, with an aim to increase yield and reduce waste. Benchmark organizations have achieved the following productivity standards. In manufacturing, companies like 3M and GE Appliances have implemented lean manufacturing practices, increasing labor productivity by 20 to 30%. In the service industry, companies like Disney and Ritz-Carlton have optimized their staff allocation and training, resulting in higher asset utilization and customer satisfaction. In software development, companies like Google and Microsoft have adopted agile methodologies, increasing yield and reducing defect rates. Quality. Industry standards for quality are often measured by the following KPIs. 1. Defect rate, the percentage of defects or errors per unit of output, with a goal of minimizing defects to ensure customer satisfaction. 2. Customer satisfaction, measured through surveys, ratings, and reviews, with an aim to achieve high customer satisfaction ratings. 3. Regulatory compliance, adherence to industry regulations, standards, and certifications, such as ISO 9001 or Six Sigma. Benchmark organizations have achieved the following quality standards. In aerospace and defense, companies like Boeing and Lockheed Martin have implemented rigorous quality control processes, achieving defect rates of less than 1%. In the food industry, companies like Nestlé and Unilever have implemented quality control measures, resulting in high customer satisfaction ratings and minimal product recalls. In the pharmaceutical industry, companies like Pfizer and Merck have adhered to strict quality standards, ensuring high-quality products and regulatory compliance. Comparing processes to industry standards. To assess the effectiveness of our organization's processes, we must compare our performance to these industry standards. A thorough analysis of our current processes will help identify gaps in performance and areas for improvement. Gaps in performance. By comparing our processes to industry standards, we may identify the following gaps. Inefficient processes leading to longer cycle times and reduced throughput. Inadequate training or resource allocation, resulting in lower labor productivity. Higher defect rates or quality issues, impacting customer satisfaction and loyalty. Inadequate asset utilization, leading to idle time and wasted resources. Areas for improvement. Based on the analysis, we can identify areas for improvement, such as implementing lean manufacturing or total productive maintenance, TPM, to optimize production processes and reduce waste. Adopting agile methodologies or design thinking to enhance product development and quality. Investing in employee training and development to improve labor productivity and asset utilization. Implementing quality control measures, such as Six Sigma or ISO 9001, to reduce defect rates and ensure regulatory compliance. By understanding the prevailing industry standards for process efficiency, productivity, and quality, and comparing our processes to these standards, we can identify gaps in performance and areas for improvement. This knowledge will enable us to develop a roadmap for operational excellence, driving growth, innovation, and customer satisfaction.